Welcome to Bad Tree Productions. But try to sell stuff. I got a front driver's side axle for all-wheel drive Hemi product, Magnum Charger, Chrysler 300. We have a tape measure. Got one of these that I didn't want to use. Soldering gun, Allen wrenches, wrenches. Kids that are crying. Fuel cell, sockets. So, I don't know. I'll check back in later, see if anybody buys anything. I doubt it. I seen him driving slow. He was looking. Didn't stop. Son of a bitch. This is backfiring. We had one potential customer, but then Jeremy's big monster dog scared him away. Tool sale. Get you free Ford rims and tires. Oh, all right. Keep trying. Maybe I just need to put free beer with purchase a tool. Who knows? Uncle Tyler is walking all the way down to Main Street. He made some streamers out of blue masking tape. Maybe that'll draw him in. Probably not. I put them chrome shorty headers there. Maybe that'll draw somebody in. Thanks, Jason.
You can't sell those.
No, we can't, but we can draw them in. And if they ask what the price is, I'll say $300. Then I think he'd be cool with it if we sold them. How can there not be one single guy that's being drug around by his wife all day to this stuff and not be like, oh, tools? I need a 10mm.
Because most of the wives are driving and they're probably like, no, we're not stopping.
I hear your car coming. Tools!
Why doesn't anyone have their windows down? It's a beautiful day out.
I know. They could hear me yelling tool sale. Like the guy that sells hubcaps. Hubcaps? Get your hubcaps here! Get your tools here! It's not working. Here comes a car, I hear it. Tools! Tools here!
They're too old.
They don't
They
need
had
tools.
the top
No.
He's
down.
driving a
They have
Toyota.
somebody else that has tools for them.
They take theirs to an ASC certified mechanic. Get your tools here! We finally got somebody to buy some
Hey,
shit.
we got a sucker. I mean, a customer.
Good job, guys. You need anything else? Grab two more things for free.
Where's your bike at?
Whatever you can,
You need it? Yeah, I'm gonna run
whatever
my
you
phone
can
real quick.
see.
I'm not gonna grab my
Young guys that want to work on stuff.
The handlebars are.
Thanks, guys.
Are you at the gas station?
Yeah.
I got 2 sales since you're gone.
All right. We got laundry money.
It's a good thing we both have washers and dryers.
Andy bought $5 worth of sockets.
Nice.
Currently in working order.
Trying to keep buying shit.
Right? He keeps looking at these Craftsman. Yard dart, trying to get some attention over here to the tool sale.
Isn't that what
It was smoking the grass, man. We'll see if that'll draw in some customers. Jeremy has 1 drop of Coors Light hit his tongue and he has to do something like that. Oh, whoa, Jesus, not even open.
Show you. Let me get this down.
We also found a carburetor that needs to be rebuilt. That's for sale. And a box of more tools.
Carburetors. Many applications.
Mm-hmm.
Specifically one.
Yeah.
A
Kawasaki.
four-wheeler.
Bayou 220. Buy it.
Buy it now.
Here comes some more.
Come buy some tools.
Holy
Don't shit on us.
That's more than we've seen in a long time.
Look at them. They're so dumb. They're running into each other.
They do move in herds.
son of a bitch. He did it. Oh, sounds like he's hardly saving some.
Right. Get your tools here!
Tools here.
J-Bo made it.
Yep.
Tybo, we're still sitting at $13.
Mm-hmm.
Shirt was a big hit on the river today.
Was it? I bet it was. What did your shirt say?
Black Sabbath matters. So we figure out a better way to reel them in.
Get your tools here. Get your tools. 10 for 11, 4 for 5. Right.
He's like an old timey snake oil salesman, I think.
Guaranteed to cure fit, shit, sore tits, froze molds, tight assholes, cures warts in the first stages, guaranteed not to rust, bust, or collect dust, or your money back double. And J-Bo passes these parts again.
Tyler's multitasking.
Ladies and gentlemen, I come before you to stand behind you to tell you about something I know nothing of. There'll be a seniors dance for juniors only. Admission free, pay at the door, look at the seats, sit on the floor.
These old timers have nothing else to do. They have nothing else to do.
I'm like, I have him in my phone.
Yard dart.
Tool sale. Take a right.
You reeling them in?
No, they drove straight.
Oh wait, that's the other Ford.
Get your tools here. Tool sale here.
You need money.
4 for 5, 10 for 11.
I'm so kidding.
You, sir, we have screwdrivers, open end, box end, all kinds of tools for sale.
Tools for sale.
What are you here for?
What are you here for?
Everything. You want that fuel cell?
It's tiny, ain't it?
It's got ANs on it already. Bowman, it's
I'll
good.
take it for 20 bucks. Are you recording me right now?
Yeah.
Hey, welcome.
Say hi to the internet.
Hi, Internet.
I tell you what, it's pretty freaking impressive the other day.
When you left.
Well, I wish somebody would have recorded it.
Oh man,
Yeah.
He was inside with that instead of out here.
man. Yeah, a 35-inch whipping around like that, like,
All right, what do I owe you for these little items now?
what, $1 a piece?
Are they?
Yeah, $1 or
Where are these off of? 6-cylinder, obviously, right?
360, 318, 340.
Both are, yeah.
Yeah.
I figured that's what they were.
You get 4 sockets for $1.
Oh yeah.
Name brand
Yeah,
wrench.
he was trying to charge me $5
Yeah,
for
shit. $3.
$1.82 a wrench if it's name brand.
I don't have $1.
$1.
I'll take a 10.
We'll grab
We'll
some more shit.
These change
You don't have any
back.
change or what?
I got change. What'd you sell it for him for, Jeremy?
$3 for everything.
That's a 10.
Oh, you better.
That's a 3/8. That should be about $10, won't it?
No, take some more shit then.
Huh?
Oh, take more shit.
Some snap-on wrenches. We got
What you got over there that I even know?
more. Oh, Allen wrenches. You need Allen wrenches? Metric and standard.
I don't think I do need any because I just bought 2 new sets of them. Not drivers?
Nut drivers.
Here you go, 7/16 nut driver. Look at the little handle comes out.
Oh, for extra torque.
You like them 7/16s, don't
I
you?
want all these.
Take them all.
Oop, oop, oop. Look at that.
Boomerang.
And I would rather honestly have dried out than
He's going for it, folks.
Oh, jeez.
Jump on in head first.
I'd rather have
Don't need a piece of plastic. Alright, what's more I owe you know?
Oh, let's see. You're at 10.
Where those nut drivers are sitting back by the refrigerator?
I think we might have
A complete set?
Or an extra giveaway.
Yeah, look at that.
That'd be.
Did you guys have one of these sitting back by the refrigerator for a reason?
Let's
Yeah.
see here.
Oh, because he doesn't want to sell it.
5, 10, 20, 30, 7,
37.
18.
What the hell?
17?
Well, we already bought the fuel cell too.
Good?
So yeah, hell yeah, brother.
Alright.
Thank you.
This is going towards the greater good right here.
Thank you.
So you missed this whole can too. We got Torx ones over here.
I got them too. I just used
Yeah.
them yesterday or
Jeremy, where are the bags at for this guy?
Shit.
We don't have any bags.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to figure it out.
He's already got his own bag.
I'm glad I looked at the page before I left the house.
Awesome. So are we.
But you are.
Here,
Here, get a carry-out service, Blake.
One of them the other day.
What's that?
Fuel cell, but I think it was twice the size of that. It was a steel case one.
Yeah.
Did you look inside the foam all right in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels long in my world.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah, it ain't all ate up or nothing. Or Dino had one that Vega, and even with good gas, foam started falling apart within a year.
Strap it to my VMAX.
Oh, there you go. Gotta get the good side in case it's not limited slip. Thanks, buddy.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Gonna do it for today's video because we only have 2 minutes left on this SD card.
Yeah, somebody needs to go get more SD cards.
Yeah, Jeremy.
I gotta work tomorrow.
Jeremy has to go on the river tomorrow
I have to work tomorrow.
and get paid for it.
Yes.
Anyway,
Anyways, we did some monies.
we made $53
Nice.
for me sitting here since noon, not selling anything until people got out of the
Good
bars,
guys.
apparently.
Yeah. No, until traffic in town cleared up enough they could actually get here.
No kidding. Anyway, we'll set up shop again tomorrow, but that's going to do it for tonight's video.
Cool.
Yep. So,
Bye, see ya.
See ya. Take it easy. Bye.
Bye. Just order the damn thing, Tyler.
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger.
We're not even sponsored
Where's the
by
buy it now
Honey
button?
app.
Where's the buy it now button?
Quit it.
Quit it.
Hey, see, I just got free discounts for seniors.
Oh, get
Coupon
up.
65.
Then buy it. And then also like, share, and subscribe to Black Sabbath Matters.
Great, there goes the rest of our views.
Damn it. Tool sale. Tool sale. Right here. Tools.